afternoon.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Sit down, please. Good morning.
Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, to you.
Okay, sit down, please. Now, what did you learn previous lesson? алдыңғы сабақтар бойынша біз не өтедік? Соны айтамыз. Okay. When I divide into two groups, your group clever and your group smart, yeah? Okay. жаңағы нені татуға қайталауға шығамыз кейбір сөздер. This takes Nurdos, take your stick and then repeat.
Like it. Unatu.
Like. Translate into Kazakh. Unatu.
Yeah.
Нажал на это. Нажал. Булан. Okay. Расу.
Listen.
Listen. Listen.
Yes to.
Yes to. Askar. Go to the blackboard. Take your stick and translate into Kazakh. See. See. Görü. Okay. Very good. Candos. Жүру, бару дегенді білдіреміз. Take your seat, okay? Бағила. Yeah. Take your stick and then come. Come here. Come on. Come. Bir деген. Yeah. Take your seat, okay? Murder. Come to the blackboard and then take your stick. Play. What now? Okay, very good. Thank you. You are 5 finger, okay? Без баллық жүйеменен жаңағы үй тапсырмасын бағаладым. Let's, okay? Now start. Жаңағы не қылмақпыз ғой? Қой жүрмес, серік түсәді. Бір қой жүріп бар, ағай жаңасын қой жүрмес. Серік түсәді. Yeah, stand up. Stand up. Қайта. our lesson is biography of your writer. Okay?
Okay.
Open your copy books and then today biography of your writer. Takılıp dertlerimizi yazarız. Bu sonu aşık. Dertlerimizi takılıp yazarız. Date. Our same biography of your writer. Okay? Firstly, I'll give your line. Lifeline. Our lifeline. Bizim ömür neyimiz? Кезеңіміздегі сол өмір сүру сызығымыз немесе кезеңіміз деп айтылады, иә? Lifeline. Бірінші бізде не дейміз? Burn дегеніміз бізде жаңадан туылуымызды айтамыз, иә? Жаңадан туылуымызды. Одан кейінгі кезеңіміз go to school. Одан кейін take exam. Нені? Экзаменді тапсыру. Одан кейін go to college. Ары қарай graduate college аяқталып колледжді. Одан кейін start job. Ары қарай жұмыс жасау. Get married. Үйлену. Ары қарай үйленгенсің have children. Return and иә, қайтыс болу линиясы деп айтады екенбіз, иә? Окей. Мектептен жаңа сөздерді менен қайталайық. Phonetic drill бүгінгі жаңа сабақта жаңа біздің осы бойынша қазір дәптерге түсіреміз мынаны. Ары қарай be burn. Get married. Return. Go to school. Start a job. Одан кейінгісі біздің айтқымыз келмейтін соңғы иә, қайтыс болуды. Так, қазір осыны дәптерді ашып жазамыз. Иә, мына бүгінгі нелерді сөздерді жазып, одан кейін ары қарай видео көреміз. Міне, осы мысал. Жаңа сөздер, жаңа осы. the blackboard? And the listen. The text.
Every nation has individuals through whom the world's community can learn about that nation and its essence. Thanks to these individuals, a nation's reputation is elevated. Abai Kurmanbayuli was a great poet, thinker, and a person who made great efforts to shape and shine a light on Kazakh literature. He combined not only the development of the intellectual wealth of this country, but the whole world, leaving an immortal mark behind him. Abai was born into the family of a senior sultan, Karkalani Kurmanbai, on the 10th of August, 1845. His grandmother, Zara, and mother, Usha, cultivated a love of knowledge and reading in him from an early age, telling him fairy tales and legends. Compared to other children of his age, Abai was witty and smart, and this did not go unnoticed. Kurmanbai Kashi invited the village mullah to teach the boy, and at the age of 10, Abai was sent to study at Semi at the Ahmed Riza Madrasa. Abai was very open to knowledge and went to parish school at the age of 13. He read many different books and was constantly striving to learn more. At the age of 13, at the insistence of his father, Kurmanbai Oscar Bayuli, who was confident in his son's knowledge, Abai started to become involved in administration. At the side of his father, he learned to listen to people's aspirations, to take fair decisions, and to protect the vulnerable. This period of his life would later on impact the development and formation of his personal qualities. At the age of 10, he started to write poems, and later on, when he was already confidently and skillfully expressing his ideas and his words, he became a well-known poet, writing deep and philosophical poems. Writing using a quill, Abai's work was relevant not only at the time, but also today. His poems have not lost any of their value or meaning. Abai's Book of the World is a collection of prose written in a classical style. It demonstrates a wise and philosophical experience of the world and powerful prose. Abai lived only 59 years, but he left behind an enormous heritage for centuries to come. This heritage was described by Mukhtar Awazov in his novel Path to Abai. This novel is deep in meaning and content and depicts the life of Abai from the time the poet returned to his country after receiving his education, recounting his personal development and his activities until the end of his life. Today, everyone who has achieved certain heights in life knows everything about our nation. But after reading Abai, they were able to discover more about his life and work and begin to see life differently, and perhaps change their opinion on many things. Abai Kurmanbayuli is a revered personality. His memory is forever in the heart of a nation, and his philosophy is a guide for the Kazakh people.
Okay. Who is this? Kim? Abai Kurmanbayulu. Who is this text about? Жаңа текст не туралы? Yes, sir. Өмірі, иә. Ары қарай, who was Abai Kurmanbayulu? Abai Kurmanbayulu кім өзі? Right, yeah, ол жазушы. When was he born? Қай жылы туылды? Ағылшынша қалай айтайық? 1845. Abai was born, yeah? Where was he from? Кім айтады? Ол қай жақтан туылған?
Семей облысы Шығыс Талас бөктерінде.
In English?
Семей. Семей.
Сосын? Жаңағы не?
Шығыстан.
Okay, sit down, please. How many children? Қанша баласы бар? How many children? Abai Kurmanbayulu. Байлар?
Оның 3 айы болған.
Three wife. Yeah, those 3 wife.
Екеуінен 10 бала болған.
10 children. Okay. Ары қарай ол жаңа қай жерде туылғаны, қай неде өскені туралы, иә? What does Абай mean in English? Абай ағылшыннан Абай туралы, Абай дегеніміз ағылшынша қалай болады, жаңа қандай ағылшындар ой түйеді? Why is it famous? How many children that they have? What did he write? Оның қандай жазбалары бар?
Оның қара сөздері, поэмалары, өлеңдері, жинақтары бар.
Окей. When did he die? Ол қай жылы қайтыс болды?
Абай.
1904 ағылшыншалап айтады. 1000 сосын ажағы yeah, okay. Very good. Well, так жазамыз енді. Write your купиго, and then write the sentence questions. Сұрақтарға жауап жазамыз. Sulagut. Who was Abay Tunanbayulu?
He was
He was
a
a
leader.
writer.
Right.
When was he born?
He was born in
In 1845.
1845.
Where was he from? Abay Tunanbayulu.
He is from
Semipalatinsk.
Semipalatinsk.
Okay. Next. What does Abay mean in English?
Because he wrote a book.
Wrote a lot. Okay. Why is he famous?
He had five.
How many children? How many children?
Five
He had 5
Children.
children. Okay. What did you write? Yazgan
He
is poemi. Poemi. Aqray ko'pmi? Qara so'zlari bor.
poemalar var.
Poems bor, ya.
Böyle cınakları.
When did he die?
He did in 41.
1094. Okay. Так, phonetic drill. Lucas, come here. Жаңа сөздерді, егер тақтаға шық, жаңа сөздерді бір-бір қайталап шық.
Ne var? Get my get photos food start a job D.
Okay. Bahila, come here. Sit down, please. Very good. Sit down, please. Bahila, come here. Go to the closet and repeat. New. B. Very. Return. Go. Go to school.
Start a job
Job.
D.
Okay, sit down, please.
He earned his money, he returned to the school, start a job D.
Okay, very good. Okay. Listen. Abay was born in Karaku village in the Chechnya, Boz and Semipalatinsk. This Otarashnikir is now the Abay describes the 8th Kazakhstan. He was the son of Kunanbay and the Uljan. Kimning balası? Abay'ın Uljan'ın balası. His father's second wife. Bu akesinin 7. Aliya. The name is Ibrahim as the family was Muslim. Onun qanday nesi var ekanini Ibrahim және Muslim. But his son was given nickname Abai, what stayed with him for the rest of his life. The boy first studied at the local Malik under the Mullah Ahmed Riza. His was father was announced Saint Abai to Russian secondary school in Semipalatinsk. There he encountered the writings of Lermontov, Mikhail Lermontov, and Alexander Pushkin, which were influential his own development as a writer. Bizde қазақ тілінде Абай Құнанбайұлымен бізде орыстарда не екен?
Александр Сергеевич Пушкин.
He was well-known Kazakh poet, a great scientist, composers, philosophers, and the founder of the writing Kazakh literature and its first classic. Ол бізде қазақ тілінде кім? Ол философ, ол композитор, ол жаңағы өлең шығаратын ақын, сондай өнерлері бар Абай Құнанбайұлының, иә? Абай wrote around 170 poems бар екен, иә? Поэмасы бар. After 56 adapted translation as a well-known philosophical treatise. Оның 56 жұмысы басқа тілдерге аударылған. Абай is remembered as the founding father of the Kazakh writing, literature, and the prominent cultural reform. The name of Abai is known worldwide just as Shakespeare, Goethe, and Pushkin, because his great works became a spiritual patron of only one nation, but also entire humankind. Abai also translated into Kazakh the work of Russian and the European authors, mostly for the first-name poems by Mikhail Lermontov, John Wolfing, and von Goethe, Lord Byron, Ivan Krylov, and Alexander Pushkin, Evgeny Onegin. Abai's main contribution to Kazakh culture of folklore lies in the poetry which expresses great nationalism and the growth of the Kazakh folk culture. Before him was Kazakh poet, was oral, urging the normal habits of the people of Kazakh steppes. Abai's creative poetry and the philosophical seeking of educate Kazakh. Bizde Abay Құнанбайұлының бізге ағартушы, бізге білім беруші, философ ретінде бүкіл қазақ таниды. Окей. University after Abay. Алматыда сізге Абай атындағы университетіңіз бар, иә? So one of the main avenue is city of Алматы. Алматыдағы ең деген жаңағы университетіміздің атына осы Абай Құнанбайұлы аты берілген. Иә? Түсінікті ғой? Abay Kunanbay is a Shakespeare of Kazakh literature. His book of words Kara Sözler is an exploration of Kazakh national life in the second half of the 19th century. 19-cı ғасырларда Abay Kunanbay'ın deydi Shakespeare жаңағы Kazakh пенен ағылшын арасындағы жаңағы әдебиетіне танымал және оның Kara Sözler жазылған несі кітаптары жарық көре бастаған 19-cı ғасырдың ортасында. Абайдың қанша қара сөз бар? It includes 45 words. Books in Turkish. Thanks for your attention. Okay. The clever group 5 and the smart group 5 finger. Okay? Енді жаңа сабақтан алған әсеріңіз жайлы тақтаға жазыңыз. Окей? Келе бәрі мынағандардан тақтаға жазыңыз. Жазыңдар, мынаған мынаған жазды, секретті қоясыз. Жазды.